Hello, I'm Dr. Samir Arbat. I'm an interventional pulmonologist at KRIMS Hospitals, Nagpur, India. As we all know, we are in the middle of a pandemic, that is the COVID-19 pandemic, and we are facing a severe shortage of resources such as PPE kits, respirators and sanitizers. We are unable to procure newer medical instruments as there is a countrywide lockdown with a complete shutdown on e-commerce. Thus, protecting the healthcare workers from cross-infection has now become a big challenge for all of us. The innovation that I am going to show you is an indigenous idea in which the components used are easily available around us. I have named this innovation as the Doctor Safety Assistant, codename DocSAM or Doctor Safety Assistant for Remote Monitoring. This is an audio-visual communication device which can be assembled by any doctor. I have used a regular IV stand with wheels which is readily available in all the hospitals. The metal rod above has been removed and a basic selfie stick is attached to it. On this I have mounted a smartphone. You can use any smartphone with a decent camera and good internet connectivity. A similar assembly, if bought from e-commerce sites or the factory, can cost you anywhere between $100 to $300 US. The utility of this Doctor Safety Assistant is to reduce the usage of PPE kits and to reduce the chances of cross-infection to healthcare workers who are working in an isolation ward like the ones designated for COVID-19 suspect or confirmed cases. The uses of this Doctor Safety Assistant are as follows. It can be used as an assistant inside the ward, thus limiting the number of doctors entering the ward. This helps in cutting down the usage of PPEs and reduce the chances of cross-infection. So now, one doctor can carry the DocSAM with her or him, while the remaining team can sit in another cabin and participate in the inpatient rounds. As we all know, elderly population above the age of 60 are more susceptible to the COVID-19 infection, and the World Health Organization has advised them for strict home quarantine. Since a lot of physicians are above the age of 60 and we are ever obliged to have their clinical judgment while treating the challenging cases, the Doctor Safety Assistant can help in establishing audio-visual communication from inside the ward to a remote location, thus eliminating any risk of cross-infection to our senior doctors. The device is useful for communicating with doctors for interdepartmental reference and expert medical advice. This eventually limits the use of PPE without hampering the medical management of the patient. Very often patients in ICU or isolation wards experience anxiety, depression due to lack of communication. Patients can also exhibit disorientation and agitation after prolonged stay in isolation. The Doctor Safety Assistant can help in building an audio-visual communication between the patient and their attendants without any risk of cross-infection or hospital-acquired infection. There are various advantages of the Doctor Safety Assistant. It is very easy to assemble and fairly economical. It is easy to maneuver and carry around with minimal effort. It reduces the usage of PPEs and also limits the chances of cross-infection. It is useful for remote monitoring of patients. A very useful tool for interdepartmental references. It is a boon for senior physicians and consultants for patient monitoring. It is a very useful teleconferencing device and also useful for patient communication with their attendants. How to disinfect? It is advisable to use a dedicated phone and stand for the isolation ward or ICU. The complete assembly can be easily disinfected with wipes that contain 70% isopropyl alcohol. The phone can be charged inside the isolation ward and is ready to use. I am confident that you can make your Doctor Safety Assistant in no time, and it will help you in limiting the chances of cross-infection and reducing the usage of PPE. Thank you.